Have you ever wondered what could be the secret behind a millionaire's success? Or what strategies they know, which 98% of the world is unaware of? Or, do you want to know the profound skills that millionaires have mastered to earn more money? If you constantly find yourself in dark financial conditions, and want to improve your life as quickly as possible, then consider watching this video until the end. Hey, welcome to Achieve. In this video, we will list the top 5 great skills that have accelerated successful people up the social ladder, making them the wealthiest and most powerful. Learning these skills can give you benefits in ways you could have never imagined, so let's get started. The first skill that millionaires have mastered is the skill of persuasion. In this capitalist world, you either sell or get sold to. However, if you have the selling skills, then believe me, the market is all yours. Or, rather, the money. If you look at any business, you will realize that all they do is sell a product or a service. In most cases, the products aren't even produced by the business. They are able to earn money just through their sharp selling skills. So, if you're a good salesperson, you will never be poor in the world of entrepreneurship. Buy any product and sell it for a profit, and in a matter of time, you will be drowning in a pile of cash. Selling doesn't necessarily mean to sell a product or a service. You might need to sell yourself or your team to get that investment. The better you can convince others, the greater opportunities you will have at your disposal. The second skill that has helped millionaires earn money is time organizing and goal-setting skills. The difference between normal people and the people that make more money lays in their approach to setting goals and working on them. You need to know how to break things down. Make a plan. Analyze your priorities, and manage time. In order to accomplish your goals, and achieve the maximum results out of it. However, due to the laws of nature, we actually can't manage time. This is because all of us have an equal amount of it. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. But what we can do, is to manage our priorities effectively. You need to select a handful of activities for the day, and you have to ask yourself, what payoff it will give you at the end of your day. If you start mastering the art of planning and organizing beforehand, you will indeed notice extra potential and effectiveness in your work routine. The third skill you should learn, in order to raise your net worth, is communication and networking. Successful and wealthy people know how to communicate an idea. They build the correct team, educate their people, and encourage them to focus on the same objective, getting them golden results. Always remember that business is not only an intellectual sport, it is also a team sport. It is an organization where you inspire and motivate people to thrive. And where effective communication is the key, that can ease you in at every initial level and step. Additionally, networking is also like team building, but outside of your own internal team. You make networks that can help you get positive outcomes. The fourth skill that you can clearly identify in rich people is confidence. To be confident is advice that works everywhere, with everyone, and it has been working since the day humanity came into existence. Confidence is a skill that some people naturally have, while the vast majority of us have to learn it. Achieving the impossible begins when one starts to believe in their abilities, has the desire to take risks, and motivates themselves to be optimistic throughout the journey. You certainly cannot become rich if you don't have the courage to take a big step, and start your own business, or to go for something unusual that no one has done before. Successful people know how to gain power with their confidence, which ultimately allows them to achieve greater results, and become inspiring leaders too. The last, and most crucial skill, that aids all of the skills we previously described, is the mindset skill. This is the most important skill of all. You are completely handicapped if you can't manage your ideas and thoughts. Most likely, you will be able to master all the 4 skills at a certain level, but without a proper mindset, they won't give you effective results. Stress, anxiety, procrastination, fear, envy, and all the other negative energies will discourage your performance. So you will be required to manage your emotions and feelings skillfully, to avoid any damage to your career ahead. Some examples of mindsets could be the time when you knew exactly what you needed to do in order to fulfill your goals, but you didn't do anything because of procrastination. Or the times you saw opportunities slip away from your fingers, but you didn't take any action because of fear or frustration. Or maybe the time when other people believed in you, but you gave up because of self-doubts and limited belief in yourself. These are some mindsets that you need to get right before you plan something big for yourself. Once you've mastered all 5 of these skills, a multitude of profits await you, on both personal and professional levels. These are the foundation for a lifetime of success and wealth. Lastly, if you really enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the like button right away. And, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section, and we'll make sure to give you a response. If you're new around here, then subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss any valuable information we gather here for you. See you in the next video.